And for now, we will do that in a browser developer tools. So make sure to open up Google Chrome. And then there are 3 ways in which we can open up the Chrome developer tools. First, we can hit the keyword shortcut Ctrl Shift J, and in case you have a Mac, press Command J. So all of these tabs here are basically the developer tools. Now another way opening the developer tools is by right clicking and then inspect. Which will bring us here to the Elements tab, and then from there we can go to the console. And the third way is to go here to these 3 points, and then we go to more tools, and then we go to developer tools. And if you are not in the console, then they select it. Now this JavaScript developer console allows us to write and test JavaScript code, so it's very useful during development. For example, to fix errors. Now we don't write real application, of course, using this console, but now just to get started, let's use the console because it's a good and easy way to just write some JavaScript here. So let's write alert, which is a so-called JavaScript function. Then open up parentheses and without a space between, alert enter parentheses, so which is basically text, and let's write hello world. When we are at the end, we press enter. JavaScript gave us this pop-up window here, which has hello world, just as we type here in our string in our code. Great! So that's your very first line of JavaScript code right there. So any code that we write here and then hit return will immediately get evaluated. Let's write a so-called variable. So let's say let JS equals amazing. And so once more, we are basically writing a string here, so a text. Enter key. And then we will do if and open parentheses, JS is equal to amazing. Then we want an alert window like we saw before, saying Java script this fun, and if I hit now return, we get this window which says JavaScript is fun. Okay, so again I will display all these concepts and how all of this works here as we go through the section, but for now I hope that you can see the logic that we basically define JS as being amazing, and then here in the next line we said that if JS is equal to amazing, then JavaScript should show us this alert window with this text. Okay? And now we can also change JS to boring. Hit return again. And now let's copy this text here again. So we want to run it again. So I'm just copying and pasting it here. Okay. So let's try that again. And this time nothing happened, and so that's because JS is now no longer amazing, it is boring. And so in this case, if JavaScript This amazing is not actually true, right? Because it's boring now. And so in this case, the alert window is not shown. Now, there's also another way of going to the previous command, which is by hitting the up arrow on the keyboard, so just like this. And so we can see all the previous commands that we used before. Great. Now another thing that we can do is to do simple math operations. Let's say just 26 plus 9 plus 34 minus 10. Let's say hit return. And then here we get the result. So basically we can use this as a calculator. And I hope that you can see how useful this is gonna become later down the road. So if you want, you can experiment a little bit more with this, or you can move on right to the next lecture where we will learn what JavaScript actually is. So see you there. If you want to create your own apps or web pages or websites, keep watching my videos that I will teach you.